Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence can revolutionize supply chain logistics? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is a game changer in numerous sectors, and supply chain logistics is no exception. Imagine a world where inefficiencies, delays, and human errors in logistics are a thing of the past. That's the potential of AI. Traditionally, logistics operations have been plagued by challenges. From inaccurate demand forecasting to inefficient inventory management, these issues often lead to costly mistakes and lost opportunities. Human error, too, can contribute to these problems, making the system less reliable. But here's where AI comes into play. With its ability to analyze vast amounts of data quickly and accurately, AI offers a solution to these age-old problems. It brings in accuracy, speed, and efficiency, transforming the way logistics operations are conducted. AI doesn't just fix existing problems, it paves the way for new possibilities. From predictive analytics to automated operations, AI is setting a new standard for supply chain logistics. So how does AI actually make a difference in supply chain logistics? Let's delve into a real-life case study. Consider the story of a global shipping company that implemented AI to streamline their operations. Like many in the logistics sector, they faced a myriad of challenges. Their operations were a complex web of tracking multiple shipments, predicting accurate delivery times, and managing resources efficiently. The unpredictability of external factors, such as weather conditions and traffic congestion, further complicated these tasks. So they turned to AI, integrating it into their operations to tackle these issues head-on. One of the key solutions was AI-powered predictive analytics. By harnessing vast amounts of data, the AI system could predict delivery times with a level of accuracy that was previously unattainable. It analyzed patterns in weather conditions, traffic flow, and historical delivery times, providing precise estimates that helped the company plan better and keep their customers informed. But the AI didn't stop there. It also managed resources for